My name is Justin Object Mama.
Ikaw.
Object Mama.
And? What are you brothers?
Yeah!
How old are you, Justin?
5.
You're 5. What about you, Joff?
2.
2.
5.
2 and 5.
That makes 25.
25! Ano pa? So, ito yung different pagsasalita nila. Oh, Audrey, say, where?
Where?
Oh, Joff, say where?
Where?
Say over there.
Over there.
Over there.
Over there.
No, ano pa?
Where are you?
Where are you?
Where are you?
Ikaw?
Where are you?
Where are you?
It's like a clown.
Clown.
No, you like, I'm a like a bird.
People. Say people.
Say people.
People.
Fish.
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 Say fish.
Fish.
Ha? May si kuya mo na. Ha?
Fish.
Fish. Fish.
Fish.
Oh, love mo na. Funny.
Funny.
Funny. Oh, love mo na each other. Love each other. Jump, love your kuya. Oh, kiss.
Yung tang. Show your tongue.
Show your tongue. Jump, let me see. Wait, come here, kuya.
Pagalingan ng tang.
Halika.
Pahaba ng tang.
Oh. Say tongue. Roll your tongue. Hindi kaya, ikaw. Ano yung nasa head mo?
Tae.
Baby.
What's on your head?
Baby.
Wee. Ano, bye-bye ka na bye, everybody.
Everybody.
Paano sabi sa inyo ni Jeremy? Natungawag sa inyo?
Oh, bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Ano sasabihin mo?
Thank you very much, our show.
Thanks for watching our show.
Thank you for watching our show.
Ikaw din, Job.
Thank you, our me show.
Oh, ano pa?
Our me show.
Sabihin mo, we're the... Sabi ka kay kuya.
We are star.
We're a star. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. Happy birthday to in the Philippines.
Blow me a kiss. Catch. Ikaw. Blow. Catch. Say bye.